Baby, switch this up, let's be at again. I'm about to pop out with a Benz. I'm about to pop out with my men. Two-tone Glock, she know they twins. Don't take no L's, all I can do is win. She on her knees while she committing a sin.
Yo, Kobe! We back in business, bro. I know y'all see the new background. I know I hear the echo too. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. We back in business. It's been like 9 months or like I don't even know how long it's been, but hey, I ain't posted, but we posting today. Look, this is what I got for y'all, right? 30-minute video, we watching an episode of TV, basically, you know what I mean? This is what I've been doing for the last 9 months of me not posting. I've been welding, I've been doing school and work and things of that nature, amongst other things. So this video is basically what I've been doing. Y'all gonna see some people that was in the school with me. Tuli, well, God, Andrew, Serge, Gabby, Isaiah, Kenny, Jamar, Jalen, all of them, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, watch the whole video, enjoy it, get some popcorn, get some juice, get whatever you need, you know what I mean? Watch the video. Yeah, that's it. Just came out of
Sorry on the
customs. You know.
You know how I get. You know how I get. I need your love. You know how I get. Stop at the cafe. I took the walk to Poland like Yachty and drunk it and don't know what happened. Same shit that I told the police when they asked about that body. I don't know what happened. Bitch, I'm so fly, I gave her jet lag and we fucking backseat of the Challenger. Told her call me Abe, cause no we not linking. I don't see your name on the calendar. Way too convinced they don't want me to win. They paying the ref if you ask me. The whip like a taxi, I'm picking up bitches. They pay me with head in the back seat. She said she a model but ain't been involved, so she get the seats in the nosebleed. I'm sitting in front where the coach be.
Alright, so I don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can, because it's really loud in here. But hey, so what we're doing today is I need scrap pieces of metal. I'm about to practice. I'm about to practice for what is called the DOC. That's another course lab. So I have to pass that to go on to my other courses. Which each 3 weeks we have a course. So yeah, I'm about to practice for that, show y'all what it looks like. And that's it.
Tossing her ass around from car to the bed to the kitchen, to back to the bed. Now we back on the couch.
Back at the back, she ain't never seen nothing this night. She don't know how to act around me. She know I'm fucking her friend and she got a man, but she play her, she keeping it peak. I can't be fucking on fans, got too many bands, so I'm only gonna fuck with elites. I got her coming again and again, beat it up like my.
Alright, now I have to show my instructor how to weld hook.
Your bead here, I like your actual bead profile. I like your consistencies. Your arrows are a little sharp, meaning you're going a little fast, but I know why you did that. You wanted to get it flat. You're dropping the ball, man.
I mean, I ain't dropping it, but like...
You're dropping the goddamn ball. So remember, you can only be over by 1/8. But those beads are beautiful.
That's the news that we got. Yes, sir. Your boy got a job in the field, you know? Sonny's Car Wash Factory. My first welding job. It got me introduced to what the field work. Well, technically this isn't in the field. This is a fab shop, but when I first came here, it gave me the vibes of what the environment of welding would be like, which was a really good experience, you know? Pretty much I worked here for about let's say five months. Yeah, I worked here for 5 months. Didn't really get to do too much welding. Once in a while I got some hands-on work done, you know. They gave me the gun, I did some MIG welding, but for the most part I did what you guys are looking at right now, robotics. So I would get some metal, you know, make parts using the fixture, put it in the thing, and then press start on the machine, or if something goes wrong I gotta fix it or whatever, you know. But this was the job. Yeah, almost forgot to mention that welders are biologically more handsome than none of the other tradesmen. So just putting that out there, just letting y'all know, just a heads up. But yeah. I mean, I got something special for y'all today. Welcome back to the vlog. So everything been going good in life. Work been going good, school been going good, everything been going good, you know? I just want to show y'all something special. Yeah, I'll start. Oh wait, it's mine. It's mine. It's my car. It's my car, bro. My car. My car. Look at this. Look at this, man. Huh? Look at this. Ooh, red interior. Red interior. Let me take y'all for a test drive real quick. Hold on. Today what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how this thing works. Step back. Day to be me, you know. Birthday just passed. Let me get personal, y'all. Let me get personal, y'all. So, birthday passed, you know. Great day. Got my car. 20 years old. Got my car. 2014 BMW, you know. But on a real note, y'all could do the same. I worked at a job September, October, November, December, January. Got it. 5 months. I've been working at my job, and I got this car. Like, that's crazy, bro. Y'all can do the same. Stay tuned, watch the video, like it if you haven't liked it already, subscribe, and Yup, I got another job. East Coast Industrial Maintenance. Fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, Sonny's did fire me. It was not my fault. I know everybody says that, but you're just gonna have to believe me. Anyways, East Coast. We mainly did stick welding. We did some repair work for this company called Covanta. It was an energy plant. And I was working for the subcontractor, which is East Coast. We did some work on some industrial shredders, industrial conveyors, and I feel like this job really gave me an opportunity to see what field work actually is. It was really hot, it was really tiring, it was really, yeah, it was all of that stuff. But I think it was a good experience for me to let me learn and see how things are in the field. Then this happened. Regular Sunday afternoon working, saw some smoke coming out of the top of the ceiling, the roof. Thought it was exhaust, but the building actually just burnt down. This is dumbfounding. This is an event that does not happen. Work here for 2 weeks, then this happened. 6 in the morning. See me? Gotta get some work done today. Pipe welding. I'll show y'all what's up. Alright, so right now I'm about to fit up some pipe. So basically I have to grind it, stock it up, and then stock it up here. So I'm about to do that and figure out how it's done. Yes. Third one on record, steel fabricators. Just to let y'all know, a little heads up, this is not conventional to be moving welding jobs this often. It's just that my circumstances led me to this point. Anyways, steel fab, it was a pretty easy job. It was cool. The weld test was flat stick, flat flux core T-joint. Wasn't hard to pass. Once I did that, I was in the door. What I learned here was pretty much just how to read some weld symbols more often, and I got to learn how to use a crane as well. That was pretty cool. So yeah, other than that, I didn't really learn much, but it was still a cool, enjoyable experience. The people here were cool. Shout out Justin. And yeah, it's a pretty cool job. Alright, so it's lunchtime. I come back and try to finish this as best as I can. Because this is a lot of stuff to do. I got it well there, all over the place. Alright, y'all, so today is the second day of 131 for me. Fabrication, blueprinting, things of that nature. So I'm about to probably cut out my pieces today and then get it ready so that I can weld it. And then yeah, so I'll see y'all there.
Something is under the seat. Hello. Something is under the seat. Hello. Something is under the seat. 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 Okay. 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 Grab it, it's right by your feet. Grab it, it's right by your feet. Okay. Who got? Okay. Who got the heat? Okay. Who want the heat? Okay. Roll the heat. Okay. Now it's my fault. Should've never touched you, turn the lights off. Shawty said I'm cleaning and some lights off.
MTV. I was not expecting y'all, but hey, I am the best YouTuber on YouTube, so it's no surprise that y'all come to the house. So this is the house for me. Let's go to the kitchen first. You know, this is the kitchen. You know, niggas kitchen shit like that. Feel me? Niggas look up. We got the stove. We got the state-of-the-art electric stove. You know what I mean? We got the microwave. We lot of sun in the nighttime. I don't know. Got the fridge. Got the snacks. Got the food in there. You know, the vibes about to cook up later. You know what I mean? Some salmon. Yeah, that's the kitchen. You know, we got the laundry room. The niggas wash their clothes and things of that nature. No, nothing much in there to learn. Nothing much. I mean, got the dining room. Got some bowling things right here. I don't know who put that there, but hey, it's cool. And it's the living room. For me, it's the living room where niggas live. You know, to just stay down. I don't know, watch some TV, chill, whatever. Got the state-of-the-art windows. Y'all definitely don't have this. You know what I mean? Like we up there, you know? I mean, we up there. Got the TV, bigger and shit like that. Yeah, that's some work. The bathroom, our niggas bath and shit, you know? Sound like a rocket. I have to project my voice due to the fact that there's a rocket as our vent. You know what I mean? Let me just turn this off real quick. Now we turn this off real quick. This is the bathroom where niggas bath and shit, you know? And then it's the bedroom. This is the best part of the house, you know? Take a look. Oh shit, look what's on the TV though. Ah, look what's on the TV? Hey, personally, that is the best YouTuber on the platform. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I would watch him every single day, every single hour, every minute. But now this is the house. I mean, this is the room. Bedroom, this is the bed. My roommate ain't here right now, but I mean, that's his bed too. We got the state of the art windows once again. Y'all is not on the same level as us, you know. Got the light skin face. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's the room. Yeah, look at that. Look at that greatness.
The last transport but still move. I guess we're gonna have to do this the
hard way, aren't we? You see, I learned the words. That's how great of a show it is. Like, bro, look at this. Come on, bro. All right, let's continue. This is the next door neighbor, Andrew. I don't know if he in there, but you know what I mean. Yeah, that's Andrew for me. You know the vibes, and yeah, though, that's the house, and yeah, MTV. So. Last but not least, I just want to let y'all know that y'all are not welcome here anymore. So leave, like get out now, get out, get your out. Like no, like why is he walking, bro? Move! I did your video. Get the out my house. God damn. So what we doing right now is blueprinting and making our own project. We're on 131, the second to last course. So. Take a look right here. I try to start, you know, like drawing the stuff, but it wasn't going as planned. So now I did it on the board and I drew it to scale. So that like I can have an idea of what the thing would look like. And I got pretty much everything done. I have to do some stuff still, you know, get the measurements right. And so what I'm about to do is put this on a paper, write down everything, weld it. And then I'm gonna show you.
Hey, don't cocky shit, right? I'm the best welder.
Why do people always feel the need? Alright, y'all. So I know I'm cutting my pieces for the lab. Final. It's about to look clean. It's about to look crazy. I already cut some of them. This is how it look. Got this right here. This. Boom, boom. I'm gonna cut this again, and then when that's finished, I gotta pack it all up. So yeah. See how soon. I might see when it's finished, and then and the product is finally finished. It's finally done. I ain't bring the tripod today. I didn't really get no footage. I was rushing actually too because I was supposed to finish this. Look at it. Look at damn. You look at that. You know what I mean? Yeah, so it was in a rush. You know. Look at this. Look at this boat. Yeah, look at that too. Yeah, so I didn't get to show y'all because I was in a rush. I was supposed to finish the lab like Wednesday or Tuesday, and today's Friday, so I was trying to hurry up. Gotta draw the blueprint still. I didn't finish doing that, and then print it in, see what grade I get. And yeah, that's it. See y'all soon. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And so basically, I'm at Gabby's for me, and we about to paint the. Oh, you know you cannot do it. About to paint it. You know what I mean? We got the. Yeah, shit heavy. We got the T, so I'm gonna paint it 15 times with blue, and then put the white around the edges, and then yeah, it's gonna look good. We got the boat here too, for me, and then we got Gabby. Say hi, Gabby. We got Gabby. Yo.
You want advice for painting that?
What?
Get Gabby, your painter's tape.
And then we got Gabby's. Yeah.
Damn, bro, you
the
have like the shortest attention span. It's really sad. You're like
the birdhouse.
Like, about to like talk to him.
And then yeah, that's it. So see y'all soon. Great. Yo. Huh? It's dripping on this side. You see it?
Did you put the paint on it? The painter's tape on the corners?
No, not yet. I have to do it after.
What the fuck? What is wrong with you? If you would have done it, you wouldn't have had to paint the edges. It would have just been silver already.
I know, but like I painted it white.
Why are you painting it? The edges white?
Because like
Is the tower edges white?
yeah. Alright, so I basically painted the T the wrong color. I was supposed to do white first and then cover it with the tape so that I could paint it blue, but I did it the reverse way, so I'm gonna have to repaint it white. And then shooting as well. I'll show y'all. For me, I know y'all ain't seen this scenery in a good minute, you know? Back at the crib, you know, on vacation, whatever. Got the hair done yesterday, you know? You know? Memories, bro. Memories. But yeah, so graduation is Friday. Going back to Florida today. Get the labs done. Get everything finished. And then, yeah, see y'all there. Stay tuned. Alright, today is the first day of the last week. I'm about to finish cutting out my pieces for the EOC lab, the project, and start tacking it up. Hopefully I get to do as much as I can today because I don't want to be doing this all week, so finish it as soon as I can. And then, yeah, show y'all what's next. Just painting and then, you know, graduation. So stay tuned and yeah, enjoy the video. So I'm just doing the body of the thing right now. This is how it looks. It doesn't look the best, you know what I mean? It doesn't look the best, I would say, right now, but it's all gonna get grinded down anyway. So yeah. And this is what I have so far. Looks like an urn at the moment. Yeah, but let's get it done. Alright, so this is the last weld of the project. Everything is basically finished. I just have to, currently, this is just coming off. I have to make sure it stays on. So all I have to do is a tack weld right at the edge, and then finish. Done. It's finally finished. I got the project done. It's an airplane, one of the old ones, the biplanes for me. Oh, look at this. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Yeah, so plane is finished. And yeah, so all we have left is graduation. This looks about like probably like 2 days to finish, or something like that. 2 days, 3 days. It didn't take me too long, but yeah, graduation is left, and the graduation is actually tomorrow. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Like the video if you haven't liked the video already, and fly your way to the subscribe button. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so today's the day. Today is the day that we graduate. Feel me? 9 months in the making. You know? So I'm about to get my clothes real quick, put them on, and then we slide into the school. So stay tuned. Let me.
So now we have one of our distinguished students here, Samuel Aberdeen, who's our student ambassador, is going to come to the stage and he's going to tell you his story.
Afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody doing good. Morning. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Post-graduation, you know what I mean? Gotta get some food. We graduated already, you know? I got everything I need. Got the rings on, you know? We got the drip on, you know the life. And yeah, so about to get some food. Close out the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's a long way journey, 9 months. It's crazy. So yeah, see y'all soon. I know y'all wondering, like, okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this long. But hey, I know y'all wondering, like, where could I possibly be right now? Where? This is my own job, bro. This is my own apartment. I got this just like a couple of days ago. I locked it down, signed the papers and everything like that. You know what I mean? Hey, let me get a little Hold on. I'm not gonna give y'all too in depth of a tour because FTV about to come to my house again, and you might have to do another one of the, you know what I mean? But this the kitchen where niggas kitchen and shit like that. Hold on, we gonna go straight to the, you know what I mean? Straight to the bathroom where niggas bathroom and shit like that, you feel me? And then last but not least, hold on. Not the walk-in closet. Y'all niggas playing with me, bro. Y'all niggas playing with me. Hey, hold on, let me end this video real quick for y'all. Alright, man, so hey, like I was saying, I appreciate you if you've been watching this video this long. Like, on a serious note, I haven't posted in it's probably been more than 9 months. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been pretty long. I ain't post, but you're here right now, and I appreciate you right there. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? Hey, thank y'all for watching this long. I'm about to start posting some skits when I get this shit furnished. I got some stuff in here. Y'all gonna see some skits. Y'all gonna see some vlogs. Y'all gonna see some streams. Y'all gonna see some nigga. So yeah, love y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching, and like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you know what I mean, 500,000 on the way. You know what I mean? Let's get to 500,000 subscribers. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Nah, just okay. Nigga, you have to walk, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Bro, I got hit in the face, so I don't even know. It felt like somebody flipping a rock after my face. But I think I'll be fine. Put some ice on it.